Hello everyone, today we have a Tesla Model 3 long range. It does have a rebuilt title. It did have some front end damage. It's only cosmetic, so we got it fixed up. And as you can see, it's looking great. It did pass the 150 point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. Let's go ahead and close this up. This one does have the rims on it. And the cameras all the way around for your vehicle to vehicle sensors. This does have the mirrors that fold in. And here's the trunk. It also has a stow space down beneath this platform. Go ahead and close that up. I did notice a little scrape right there. And a little scrape right here. It looks like that could, oh, that'll easily come out. So we'll get that taken care of for you. It does have a glass ceiling in it. And Dunlop tires. Go ahead and open this up and show you the interior. This is a dark gray leather interior. These panels here are a dark gray leather suede. Right here, this folds down as a cup holder and armrest. And that headrest folds down also. It does have your climate control vents and USB ports right there for the back seat. There are your door controls, your latch, and your windows. This is the Model 3, and this is your VIN right here. There are your driver's seat controls. And we'll go ahead and hop in for the rest. Again, your glass ceiling is amazingly huge. Okay, we're gonna turn down the vent. So it's not blowing in the microphone. Okay, and you can see that you can change the direction of the air on the driver or passenger side. Let's go ahead and collapse that down to your quick controls. First off, we want to show you this. It is the Model 3 long range. It has a dual motor, 13,102 miles on it. It has the enhanced autopilot and the premium connectivity. It has the premium sound system, the 2.5 computer, and it has the infotainment processor of the Intel Atom. Okay, we can jump here. This is where you open the glove box, excuse me. This is where you open the glove box, it's right here. There's your owner's manual. Okay, go ahead and close that up. Here are your lights. Here's your ambient lights. It's daytime, so you can't really see them well. Let's see. Here's your display, your brightness, your clean screen, so you don't toggle it on and off while you're trying to clean it. Time format, energy display, and such. Your locks. Here's your folding mirrors. Okay, your window locks, all that kind of fun stuff. If you're driving, you can have it on chill or standard. It comfort, standard, or sport, regenerative braking, and your stopping mode. Right now it's on hold. This is where you activate your slip start as well. Your autopilot, it does have auto steer enabled. Navigation of autopilot, the beta version. You can customize your autopilot here. You can summon, standby mode, customize your summon. Your speed limit warning, your speed limit, for instance. Let's see, forward collision warning. I like early personally. Lane departure avoidance, we want the assistance on. Emergency lane departure avoidance, blind spot collision, warning chime, your automatic emergency braking, and your obstacle aware acceleration. Okay, your navigation settings, speed limit mode, especially if you have a teenager or someone like that you want to control the speed that they go. This is where you would do that. Service, especially do not tow this vehicle without it being in towing mode. So your software, we already went over this page. You can also use your AM, FM, and XM. You can also plug this into your phone via cable or via Bluetooth. You can look at your backup camera. You can see how much your energy, how much energy you have used. Let's see, your charging, it has 175 miles left on the charge. You can set a limit. I like to set a limit of 90% as recommended by Tesla. Unless you have a trip that's coming up, then you don't want to take it to 100%. Here's your web. Entertainment, Netflix, Hulu. You also have YouTube. You have arcade games for when you're charging, or if one of your passengers wants to play. There's a lot of fun, especially the retro games. Your toy box is fun if you want to sit back and watch a fire roar. And you can even set a romantic mood. So lots of fun with this car. So over here on your steering wheel, you can set up these toggle switches with your tablet that controls everything else. And your ceiling controls are very simple. You have your overhead lighting. And so that does it for this Tesla Model 3 long range. Again, we do have a number of Teslas here on the lot. We're the largest used Tesla dealer in the area. And visit us for more inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.